guys, it's Rithis in the Legend Plays here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get in-app purchases for free. So let's go ahead, hop onto Cydia here, and what you're going to have to do is go under the sources, edit, and then add this repo I'm going to be listing down right here. So it's repo.hackyouriphone.org. We're just going to show you that's down here. Just type it in quickly. So once you get that in, click done, and then it should say updating sources and add it in. Then what you're going to want to do is search local APS store and install this right here. So once you're done that, you're going to have to respring your device, and now I'm going to show you how it works. And before that, go into settings and show you the menu options for it. So it has, so you can enable it from there. And yeah, now I'm going to show you how it works. So we're going to go down to Tank Stars here. This is a game I play sometimes when I'm just bored and stuff. It's a pretty fun game, so you guys should check it out. But right now, I'm going to notice the currency at the top. And then we're gonna go on purchase, click there, and then what we're gonna do is click cancel. Don't purchase it, just click cancel. So we're gonna try it again, cancel, boom, there you go, you have it. So this is how it works. You can try it on most offline games. Some online games work too. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you.